What do you get to talk about the present economy and the way everything they've been now? $1 now 400 naira or so?
At least 395.
395.
Now, call am 400.
So, what do you fit talk now about this present economy?
What do you mean? First, with the song, may I go back to the question where you asked me, say how I feel, you know, with the song, then something I predict some years back, then now, see how I see they go now. Now, in combi say, in fact, everybody they complain. The thing, where did they say, I try, say, make the government, like some people don't ask me, say, make I remix the song. I say, I'm not fit. This is classic, legendary music. If you want dance, bokbo to bokbo, a day, go listen to her. But you see this kind of song, because I emulate this thing from legendary people like Fela Nicola Kuti. And he not remix any of them song they come. If Fela dey alive today, Fela go they drop new songs they go.
Yes.
They talk them, they go. So now waiting, I expect my fans, we love me, to tell me, and not to tell me to go back. Like say you don't finish for me. Well, besides just they start. You understand?
Yes.
The country not feel good. The thing when I tell the government now, shame me. This song,
so you
like
believe
18 years ago, it not feel good.
Why?
Shame, made the country, made the leaders of this country shame me. Made them shame me.
So now like a challenge to them, say, okay, you know what's in, I don't talk and say you not feel good.
Say you not feel good.
Surprise
shame me. Light no go day, shame me. The road
no
go good.
Now or
shame
in years
me.
from now, say Nigeria no go
in years
ever,
to come
good.
Again, it not go good because anybody will reach there, it be like soup where we say all those yellow and then cook finish. You can't do for your house, can't hear the smell, You can't manage, can't near where they boil her. They can't tell you say test time. They don't touch her for your hand. Don't shine there.
Because if you talk, say you not go ever good. We are Nigerians and we live in
me, I be blooded Nigerian.
So we not even get.
That is why na challenge.
Talk.
You see, if we make we stop to the lie to ourselves.
Okay.
Let's call a spade a spade. You understand? Shame me.
Okay, so which
shame me meaning say I want me you shame me, shut me up. Do I make you work? Now we say we go there, they talk say, now because now my country, we don't need to talk the bad part of the country, we don't need to talk everything where the country they do wrong, then we don't need to correct them. Then at the end of the day, things they spoil they go. If they spoil they go.
Well,
because right now, as me and you day, sis, as me and you day now, now some more with the chop. Are the same old politicians who rule Nigeria before. Go listen back to Fela Nicola Kuti. He said it. Now them still there now. And we say the future. Me and you don't born Pekin, we don't hold though. I will leave all the makeup or they apply for face. More they leave all this shave where they shave.
So okay, so in that same vein,
we're still young. We're not young again.
In that same vein, African China. Now, when you talk, say, okay, the government know they lead us well.
Yeah.
Now, you tell me, what do you feel say the government suppose they do, where they never they do? From your own point of view, because now we they talk about light, we they talk about dollar raise, we they talk about tomato where they cost, even though say that one don't they come down. Now we they talk about different things. So now, if you get position of government, tell me the things where you go do, where the government never begin they do.
Make them structure everything where we need to structure properly. When we structure them properly, how can we be supplying Benin Republic light? We know they get light. They pay in a baby. My sister, if you see B where they carry, come give me recently. I just travel. I travel for a few months. Come back. If I see bill, I won't die. That made me tell them, say, because my friend, they tell me, say, they say they distribute that, what is it called? The prepaid meter, they distribute them free of charge. I said, I won't go buy. He said, no, buy you. They did it for free. I don't wait. It don't reach 6 months. It don't reach 6 months. Now I say, I beg, I won't go buy. So that's when I travel, comot that card. I come back, I go meet my recharge card the way where I keep my abi. Back home. That's so. Make them distributor. Small time go hear one story. Say one thing. Generator see the coin. You know how much we generator now? 2 times waiting with the buyer before. I opened salon recently now. I go buy gen. I know how much I buy. I almost shut down like, what business guy will go on? Because I did aim them on $10, I did aim them down go tail level. So I got to move on with my life and stop complaining. But me, I did talk up. Let the government shame me. Now me they talk am shame me. Not be insult.
All right,
Not challenge.
You know what? I like the fact say you talk say made them actually shame you.
Yes.
Not challenge you.
Not
challenge them. But you get one particular word that talk say not be only waiting the government fit do, waiting you fit actually do. Now,
we don't
as
do
a person, you sure say Nigerians
my dear, we don't do them.
Don't actually do them.
My dear, we don't do them.
So
me and you don't do them.
Waiting we do.
Today now, I open shops. I know how many people will say I don't employ. Now, tax they run now for Nigeria here now, for Lagos State here now. Will they pay tax? I they pay tax.
How many citizens really they pay tax?
My dear, they pay tax. How many made them do all the things where they're supposed to do before they go meet those mama that what they sell for? But me and you now, we say don't understand what's in the tax they for. Make them pay the tax so that these people we go fit talk to them.
Now, apart from that, now we know say I don't know why we talk about politics but that's this particular last one. Now we know say yes, presently we try to fight corruption. Corruption don't actually eat down into our system. Now, apart from the talk, yes, you know, if say even we not they seat government seats, we actually still they corrupt in our own little way, and how we fit actually coming from your own, because people actually respect you a lot, coming from your own mouth.
Yeah.
How you feel say we fit actually help in the fight against corruption.
The song we just playing out said it all. You know, most times I talk in proverbs because you see this government, our Wayo government, now boo, they could all boo everything. They would all put allegation for your head. All of a sudden, I travel go London. One time they all put allegation for my head. Waiting, I don't do. They put out my IT happen. I don't know. Where it come from, we don't know. You understand me? But thank God, say God be God. And I fight that case, and I fight them 9 today. Now, what thing I they try to tell you now? Be say, you see, me and you now not be the problem. Now, proverb I take talk. It has to start. If you go bathroom, go bath. Yeah. Now your leg, you the fair wash. You know the bath from head, go reach down. You go start from here. You go discipline the people with that, because you see that word where they say the rich gets richer and the poor get poorer. But when you see just recently now, they say a lot of rich people now, they go G, but only now, what do they hear now? They bathe themselves. They bathe themselves anyhow now. Once you thief, if you thief 1 billion, they can't tell you, say, okay, you could use 100 million. If you get 100 million bill, we'll go, 2 of us. You will go scot-free now. You hear the case again. Oh, yeah, what do? It not go good.
Everything is about to change.
It not go. See, the whole slogan now.
Let's wait for it to change.
Yes, we are waiting. Now, what will they wait for now?
the change.
Now, that I say about. So, we wait for the change to come.
My dear. Now, here you go do. You know why it is sweet for our own time, you see? When I cover white hair with this on our way go. But you see, we guys, when they cover 9 guys will begin shave. When you know they get bad, come back and like Two-Face soon. You understand? So the whole thing, the whole matter boils down to, listen, let's call a spade a spade. Nigeria has to wake up. Giant of Africa. And we cannot stop the importation of generator and make sure the citizens have light. See wages they block.
And who they actually make
yellow fever. They hear now, yellow fever, they there. We don't know what thing that they walk. We don't know what thing they walk. Eh? Traffic they run. Last month they there. Traffic they. They go still complain. Minimum wage is 18,500 or thereabout.
18,000, yeah.
They don't come off 500 or 2.
You know the day before.
Then they try increase them. The one increase them 52 or thereabout.
I beg, but they increase them.
Because maybe don't actually pass more break from that minimum wage, because he thought me they increase them. So he don't join the voices of NLC to say may they actually increase minimum wage. Well, we're going to need to pass more break. When we come back, we go talk about the one where you don't know about Africa and China. When they come back. welcome back. Yes, wonderful day today.
Why you fine?
Wonderful. Why I fine? You know, you're with your African China talk.
Say what, sir?
Say I be foreign person.
Okay, so African China, waiting be the new thing.
Jealousy.
Where they happen for your ministry, you know?
For my ministry, we try a lot of things now. Right now, I try to do something for other West African countries like Cameroon, you know.
Something like?
Go establish now. We'll go establish so that the day this country pushes go.
No way. You don't actually establish where we're from Nigeria.
I need you to change that mentality.
Yes.
I need you to change that mentality because whether or not, even if you go Cameroon or you go Congo or you go anywhere where you want to go, home now still home. Yes. And no matter what happen, even if you day outside of the shores of Nigeria, anything where they happen for here, whether you do both face or not, it will still affect you.
My dear, the one they do, they affect me.
Aha.
Already, the way the country they do, they affect me.
It good like
because
that.
It good like that.
Yeah, because you be citizen, it does affect you.
You see now, we just there. If to say God not be God, I say, like plenty of us will be say, start this business today. I look back and sometimes I shed tears. You get me? I shed tears because you see, the country no gets history anymore. The history is dead. I beg, on to the next thing.
Who you go blame?
Trendy,
Now, the country not get history again. Who you go actually blame?
I won't blame.
Still the government?
No. We think concern government.
Okay, so who you go blame say country not get history?
The history. Say the country not get history. Government gets their own role to play for that matter.
Okay.
Then the people.
Good.
We get our own to play inside the matter.
Now,
so now, and now because now waiting, the government impose on us. One, you know, then when they sing, they go come begin bam. Hey, not talk about the government, not talk about this one, not talk about. Even if the team way they talk, yeah, it gets some words where NBC already done and let us know and say this one, not talk. But if you know as if it double am in, but you see this one, it must not go there. So which we know. You understand now? Because now we've been doing those forums that year. You understand? So now, still in the same song, the way that they take, the one way that they talk now, say NBC still ban now, but media houses are playing it. Because we try and we dabble into them all those years.
No, but funny enough, once NBC bans song, media house is not supposed to play them because if they play and they go find the media house.
My dear, I don't know whether then they listen. It gets so many songs where we say they go play like this. You go hear the artists go pronounce the thing like say, if you go back, play some of my songs where we say. Some songs where I know even put out there.
Okay.
So many songs because then it was just groove. Remember back in the days of Sule and all that? Cousin T, then. So now you come now, come tell me now, person go come talk come use Yoruba talk or use Igbo talk then you go come say, man, that boy did bad. Hello.
How are you?
Thank you.
All right, just before we actually give you Nigerian celebrities where you know actually know so they were siblings, I read at one time where they told you be Baba before.
Yeah, I be Baba before.
Before you enter inside music.
And
you're still a Baba.
See, I did inside music.
Yeah.
I did music when I did 7 years.
7 years?
Yes. Back in the days when we say, amusement park, the walk. I came first twice now.
From singing?
Yeah, singing and dancing break dance that year.
You still have a break dance?
But they break now, yeah. Now if you come out for body now. But they say, if you say, I do those stunts, what they do? And then I make me get iron.
Waist go tell you after.
No, not be waist. Iron did this my new now.
Oh, wow.
This one, iron did it, yeah. I broke arm now, still dance.
Wow. So you are still a Baba?
I still be Baba. I barb my kids, they are here now.
Because you thought say you open.
But no. I know the barb. Now just for my kids. It's just personal, yeah. My kids, my wife, I barb my wife, you understand? You know where they go.
Okay.
So now let's tell you 8 Nigerian celebrities where you don't know say they be siblings. I even know say African China, I don't even know say they be siblings. But maybe we just actually give them to you quickly. Now number 1, Oluwatobiloba Daniel, popularly known as Kiss Daniel, his sister, they actually work in the media. Now, his sister is one of the on-air personality for Inside Cool FM Kano. Yes, so now you know, say, in sister too, still the spotlight. She, na Sophie Anidugbe.
I'll get a picture.
Yes, mostly Sophie pictures. Sophie Anidugbe.
Now Kiss Daniel's
sister.
Wow.
Yeah, Sophie.
Aha.
Yeah, this is Sophie.
Blood sister.
They look alike, right?
Blood sister.
Yeah, blood sister.
What's her sister do?
Now she be the elder sister.
Huh?
What's her sister do?
What's her sister do now?
What's her sister do?
I know.
What can be a what's her sister?
Because
she don't first
Let's stick to that.
Dash me you as.
Let's stick to that. Now, number 2, Dakore Egbuson Akonde and Timini.
We don't get Timini on the show before.
Both of them now, they act for inside the movie industry. So they are both brother and sister. Dakore is the elder sister. She's senior Timini. Now the next one, Michael and Edgar.
Obi.
They are brothers. Siblings. They are friends. They are siblings. Obi will not say they play for
Ade Ejimaish. You dey Ejimaish? I say Ade Ejimaish.
We don't really know whether they be Ejimaish. We don't know whether they be twins, but we know they be brothers.
We didn't really know. Now, Edgar, on the other hand, he get love for music. Even though, say, upcoming musician, he not there away from the scene for a very long time. But he actually gets a lot of passion for music. But he's a brother too, Michael Obi, very fine guy.
Actually, I feel so fine past Michael. Maybe not Dada, they make him fine.
And they look alike, really.
Yeah,
they look alike. And the last one, Sandra, one of Flavor's baby mama. Okagbe and Christopher Okagbe. Both of them are actually siblings.
Their papa na Bini?
No.
Naibo.
Okagbe. Now they pronounce Okagbe.
Sandra will not say na model na she be. Chris is come and be an actor.
Yes.
Yeah, he's an actor. So really, that's I don't know see they be siblings. I know this guy. He's so cute.
I tell you, say you know. You like him, Abby?
Yeah, very cute with the beard.
So Chris really likes you.
Yeah,
with the beards.
With the beards. And Sandra, beautiful woman, beautiful.
How they shave? Come on, shave it for Chinatown.
Okay.
All right. So now you don't know the celebrities and their siblings. All right, time for us to see our old school picture, and we could just allow African China tell us who we be. Maybe give us a little bit of our profile. So, African China, over to you.
Because it's his sister.
Yes, so that's my girl from another mother. She's a very jovial person. She's no be English, not pigeon. She na correct person. She na person we say they playing. She na my colleague for the music business too. Once, so even if I don't like her. We like her.
We love her, like seriously.
No, not girl choice. The person who they talk about now, Tonto Decay.
I like the fact that he not just know who he be. He actually give us, biography on how she take good and how she take do everything for inside the matter. But I go like know how you and Tonto actually meet, because from the beginning they talk, that's my girl.
Yeah.
That's my girl. So how wanna take meet? How wanna take big girl and boy for inside the matter?
You know that I did into acting too. Yeah. I'll be a GM member too now.
Interesting.
Yeah, over the years, way back. I do plenty of things, you don't understand. Yes.
Wow.
I be hustler. You know when a person is saying
I'm a hustler. I'm a hustler.
Yeah,
I'm a hustler.
hustle for the game. Then it can't be say, as music can they pay me more. I got quit from the acting, but because then when I act, I just act just based on, the love. But music be my first love. Then acting can be like, other things. So just say, it follow, you just dabble around the whole thing. So I just been yes. So Tonto now, like a sister, that guy, we get your back. Tonto now, sister, we get your back. Well, we say with the whole party, Tonto, Che Jumbo, Mercy Johnson, Florence, Mama G. Talk about
G for Geneva.
Julius Agu, even Julius Agu.
So don't take for inside the game.
I don't take now.
So Tonto is really your girl.
When we
That's my girl.
You know when we did, waiting in that place for Sule, Where everybody, actors, everybody, they
OJs.
gather. No, even OJs.
Somewhere for Surulere.
Yeah, somewhere that Masha area.
Yeah. All right, we don't actually spend a lot of time for the show today, and we actually appreciate you say you enter inside the studio to talk with us. We actually enjoy ourselves today. But before we come out, you go need to come out your glasses. The viewers would like see your face and your eye. We supposed to play a game with you, but this is not the game we just come my head to play with you.
Oh yeah, so come on.
Yeah. Mr. President, you said you are challenging the president.
You got to do that, say you wear sham for math.
Come on,
you see the chan walk. Why you can't lick lips now? I don't understand. Why? Hey.
Oh, yeah, come on the cab too.
As usual.
Come on the cab, bro.
You know I near you, fear.
If I tell me, I begin on.
Tell me you thought they made government where they challenge you.
I follow for
and they challenge you now.
If you tell PM, be that.
Come on the
I near you, I help you. Just do am jeje. I don't like rough.
No, we'll do a rough.
All right, thank you very much. Any new thing from you?
Yeah. Working on the new stuff. And my fans, so busy, they don't the eager for African channel to talk about the country matter. Trust me, something they drop very soon.
Correct.
Beautiful.
Not be insult, not to insult anybody, but we just want to tell them, just like I talk. Shame me.
Naso. All right, Naso will be on Top Today Show. Join us again tomorrow, Friday, for us to catch some fun.
Yes.
As they always talk.
To talk not be bad thing, but making the way they talk about.
Just like
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.